We are doomed. Commander Buzz Lightyear has ordered all recruits to report to the briefing room immediately.
Stealing the stolen Legion power cells. Without those cells, we'll all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Zurg is using the stolen battery cells to energize his secret weapon. Our mission is to find his robots and his secret weapon and blast them. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. You'll rendezvous at Planet Z. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate a mission. Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond. Stand by. Scanners detecting more trouble in Sector 9. No doubt it's a look at that nefarious coup. A sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance. The evil Emperor Zurg.
Arms, feet, and legs inside your space cruiser. And be sure to supervise younger space rangers.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission.
Your new spin control is now active. You may begin spinning your space.
Space Ranger. Impossible! No one can aim so precisely! You're not ready for our orbit!
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission.
No one can stop me now. Curse you, Buzz Lightyear! Our secret weapon ruined! Invincible! You hear me? Invincible! Not fair! Why should we ruin it?
Yes, we will return Zurg to the store. He is a bad toy.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving
We
you.
have finished
Get
our
the status
line.
board to determine your rank. Don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Get the status board to determine your rank. Don't forget to holster those blasters.
Good job, Space Rangers. Exit your space cruisers to the right. Good job, Space Rangers. Exit your space cruisers to the right.